Alright you guys, I'm going to show you how to fillet this mackerel for cut bait. Catfish season is getting ready to start. So you got to have your mackerel ready.
And we're back. What's up, you guys? Arvel, the Fit Realtor. We out here having a good time. We got baits in the water. It's pretty dope. We trying to see what we can do. Yep, yeah. So we gonna work it out.
So we're gonna start with a whole mackerel. We're gonna fillet it up, and then we'll cut it in pieces. First things first, you want to get under that backbone, get on top of that backbone, go all the way through. Cut down there. Then you flip it. Do the same thing on the other side. So now you have your other fillet there. All right, so once you get your two fillets, then you'll cut them down the middle. Cut them down the middle to make two pieces like that on each side. Make sure your fillet knife is sharp. Mine is a little dull. I haven't sharpened it since last catfish season. All right, so once you get your fillets in sections, then you're gonna dice them up. There you have it. So if you notice, I filleted them, cut them down the middle, and then cut them in chunks. And then after that, what we usually do is we'll put our garlic and some cooking oil on them so that to keep the garlic scent in the water surrounding the bait. Good times. Comment below if you need more detail. And you already know what it is. It's fit fishing, baby. And we out here.